Introducing August Smart Keypad, a convenient way to lock and unlock your August Smart Lock using unique entry codes. The August Smart Keypad is simple to set up, easy to use, and controls your August Smart Lock via Bluetooth. With the August Smart Keypad and August Smart Lock, you can leave the keys behind and lock your August Smart Lock with just one touch. Create unique entry codes for guests to lock and unlock your August Smart Lock without a traditional key or smartphone. It's easy for everyone to use. Unique entry codes for different guests allow you to keep track of who comes and goes. When combined with an August Connect or August Doorbell Cam, even receive instant notifications when your door is locked and unlocked. With August Smart Keypad, create unique entry codes for guests and never leave keys under the mat again. Smart Keypad is easy to use and doesn't require a smartphone to unlock your door. Use unique entry codes to keep track of guests. And enjoy convenient one-touch locking. The August Smart Keypad is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.